Happy 1st of May, guys. Tanya and I are gonna go do some yoga. I've been really loving doing yoga recently. It's like 4:30. I'm gonna eat some of my date brownie before, just get some quick energy, because I just had a smoothie bowl for lunch / dinner. For lunch, I mean. The dogs are here as usual. It's always the same dogs here. I love it. They're so cute. Hello! Hey! Oh, so cute. Looks like it's gonna be a lovely sunset.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. Boy, gotta cover my legs. I'm falling head over toes.
Our yoga session. This one was a lot more calming, like maybe one to do in the morning. I don't know, I liked it, but I think I prefer for evenings, like ones that get you a little bit more sweaty. And it's a beautiful evening and there's a light breeze, and I don't know, it's just really nice and relaxing, and the dogs came up to us and it was so sweet. But now it's a bit chilly, so now we're gonna head back to the hostel. I'm barefoot. So now Emma's off work and me and the roomies are gonna go shopping, because tomorrow we're gonna do sunset picnic. This is Issa, our lovely roomie, and yeah, we're gonna get some like strawberries, dark chocolate, a cheese board.
The normal one is that one, but not.
We've got so many things. Excited. So we're on our way to the picnic spot. It's like 4:15. We prepared everything. We got it in big bags. We did like, yeah, you will see what we've got. We've got like dark chocolate covered strawberries and fruit and guac. It's gonna be good. This is what I'm wearing. It's a bit chilly, but I got my hoodie with me, so. Look at that beautiful weather. We're on our way to a picnic spot still. Nice little walk. We're going to Bud's Beach. We got guac, we got nachos.
And you got friends.
And I got friends. Yay. I just been for my little run. I just jogged for like 26 minutes. I'm wearing this today. I haven't worn this top. Like, I don't really like it. It's a bit small. But I'm just sick of wearing the same clothes all the time. And put this skirt on. I actually should be wearing a belt with it, but Emma's got my belt. That's fine. And then my knee. I'm a bit afraid for the underboob to get out though. But yeah, I got my necklace on. And I'm gonna go make a smoothie bowl. I've only got banana though. Maybe I should pop to the shops and get some more frozen berries. I think I might do that.
What is the connection?
I just sat outside, ate my smoothie bowl in the sun, chilled a bit with Emma, and now I'm starting work in 10 minutes. I'm working 2 till 6 in reception as usual. And I just changed my top because my last top was way too big. I actually did a little bit of makeup. I don't normally bother with makeup, but sometimes it feels nice to dress up. I'm wearing my little wave ring, the jewelry, this top. This skirt is from Zara, if you're wondering. And I'm gonna bring my laptop down so I can edit because there's never anything to do, so.
Hairline with petroleum jelly to prevent colour staining.
Petroleum jelly.
Do you want to do that, or should we just...
No. No.
You may want to use a tint brush. Do we have a brush?
It's fine. I normally do it with my bare hands anyway.
Fair enough.
So, I don't know if I told you, but the other day I bought a pink hair dye from the shop, and Emma and I are gonna colour my hair today. I'm scared. I've had pink hair before and it says it washes out within 5 to 30 washes. Although the lady at Priceline said, is your hair coloured? And I said, yes, it's bleached. She was like, then it won't wash out. But my hair's only highlighted and I have done this before and it has washed out, although I haven't used this one. But it says it's wash out, so I trust that. It's the Bright One, cruelty-free hair colour, vegan, and it's in pastel pink. I might just mix it with a little bit of white conditioner to make it lighter, because I don't want like neon. I know it says pastel, but I don't know. Or we'll see what happens. Okay, we're in the disabled toilet now. Sorry if it's really echoey. I'm not gonna blend it out with any white conditioner.
Do you want me to do a scandal?
Can you just dye your hair and like not talk about it for 1 second?
Okay, it starts now.
Okay, but like, can people just dye their hair?
Ooh, got that right on your neck.
Picture about it, like.
For 10 minutes. 10 minutes now. This is how it looks. Okay, here we go. We're supposed to do it till the water's not pink anymore. Oh my god. Oh my, it feels really moisturising.
Really moisturising, huh?
Yeah.
I'm happy for you. How's it going?
Alright, we're going good.
So Becca's in the process of rinsing her hair out. There she is. In all her glory.
I should kick the back of your legs so they buckle.
Okay.
Oh, that was attractive.
Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel.
We had that. No, as in like, but like, hang on, a few years ago, you should know. My hair's gonna go down the drain. It's gonna gather all
Don't make
yummy.
it. Don't make it. Please don't let it go down the drain.
Welcome to Emma's dresser.
I kind of feel like I'm at the hairdresser's, apart from the one about chairs.
Yeah.
Because Corona, you're not allowed to sit in the chair.
These core strength and muscle. It looks nice. It looks darker because it's
Yeah, and it's going to wash out. Like, this is the darkest it's ever going to be. So that's fine.
just like this is the youngest we're ever been.
Exactly, that's depressing.
I'm trying to get the other side. I apologise for blocking the camera, but
We've seen enough.
we've seen enough.
So now I should be fine to have a shower. I'm gonna wash my body now. I've rinsed it out. It looks kind of dark, but it's only gonna get lighter, and I think it's quite cool. So I'll let you guys know what it looks like when it dries.
Jacob's coming through! Jacob's coming through!
Okay, see you later. Yesterday, I coloured my hair pink, and we also went shopping. I just want to show you what I bought. Where did I put my top? I went to Cotton On, which was open. They opened yesterday for the first time. They've been closed because of COVID-19. I just got this top. It says Lazy Days on it because I wanted a long sleeve. It's getting into winter here in Australia, so I just wanted some more long sleeved tops. I wore this yesterday. It's actually so comfortable. I got it in a small. It was the last small they had. And this is the back. It's kind of cool. It's got like some trees and a sun, and it says Lazy Lake Day. It says Lazy Lake Day on the front as well. And yeah, it's just long sleeve, kind of oversized and cropped, which I really like. And that was originally $25. And then I got these, I think that was originally $25. And I think these also were originally $25, but they had 30% off on everything. And they're just a pair of short white, like light wash shorts. I already have one pair of shorts, but I really like this like style of short and this color. Ideally I wanted some sweatpants just because it is getting colder. I thought because it was 30% off, I just get these because they're really nice and cute and comfy. And then last I got some really basic stuff. I got 2 crop tops because I lost my black t-shirt, and a black t-shirt crop top is just a must-have. These are originally $15 each, but then take 30% off that. So I got a white one and a black one. So just like kind of basic stuff just to wear around the hostel, and yeah. And now Clara and I are gonna walk to Pacific Fair. There's some more shops open there, and it's just a nice little walk. It's currently like 11 o'clock, so yeah, we're gonna go. And I don't know, I feel a bit weird wearing my purple thing, like my purple joggers with my pink hair. I don't know, I think I'm gonna put my hair up as well. I got a iced latte with almond milk. It's actually really good. I got a smoothie, and now we're gonna walk around Pacific Fair for a bit. A few shops later, and Emma has joined us. We are now in Target. I found a water bottle, only $8, because my plastic one is broken and it's just horrendous. This is one of those cooling ones as well. It matches my hair. It is like 4 o'clock. We've done a lot of shopping, and now we got sushi. So I got a veggie tempura roll. This was actually really good. This is from Hero Sushi, and then I just got, they've got like no good veggie rolls. I just got avocado, which I like, so that's lucky, and lots of extra soy sauce. That's a fun sign to do it tomorrow. Hey everyone, so it is like a day later. I kind of wanted to refilm this in the light. I did film like a haul section the day of coming back from Pacific Fair, but I figured it's nicer with this lighting. I'm going to show you what I got. I did get a little bit of things, which was fun because I haven't been able to go shopping for ages, but now the shops are finally starting to open up again. So the main thing that I wanted to go there was to go to Target for, because I can't even speak. I really wanted to go to Target to get a new water bottle because I lost my water bottle that kept the water cold, you know what I mean, these ones, and it was so cheap. This was only $8. Normally they're like 19. I really like the color, it matches my hair. Was really excited to get a new water bottle actually. Then I went to H&M and I just got this really nice like jacket cardigan, because when I was packing for Australia, obviously I didn't think it was gonna be like cold. I knew we were gonna be here like in winter time, but I guess I thought we'd be more up north, but now we're like in the middle. We're like in Gold Coast, so it does get chilly in the nights, like in the evenings. So I just got this little cardigan zipper jacket sweater thing with a hoodie. I got it in a small and it was like $25. It's really soft, just basic black, super comfy, because the only warm sweater I have with me was a hoodie, like a black hoodie that I wear like every day, so what I could do with another one. Then I went to Surf, Dive and Beyond. I actually really don't know what this shop is called, but something like that. Surf, Dive and Ski maybe, I don't really know. It's a nice shop. It's a bit more pricey. This is from the brand Spare. I got it in a 6 and it's just like a really soft square neck kind of long sleeve shirt, and it's ribbed and the material is just so soft. Clara got the same one because it was 2 for $50, so we paid $25 each. I know it might seem like a lot because it's like a basic thing, but when backpacking you really want to have like basic clothes you can wear with anything, which is what I've learned, because you saw like in my other vlog or a few days ago I got like basic t-shirts, and that might seem like what the fuck, but literally it's so good because I can wear them with everything, and I've already like I want to wear them like every day. I also got this from Target, and this may seem really lame, but the only glasses and cups we have here are like mugs and they're not see-through, and when I drink my iced coffee and my iced matcha latte, I like to see, like I like a see-through glass. I don't know, I just feel like it makes it way more enjoyable, and it was only $2 and I was like, whenever I leave here I can just leave this here, like it wasn't expensive and it just makes it so more enjoyable to drink out of. I wanted to get metal straws as well, but you had to get like a big pack and it was quite expensive, so I didn't do that. I also got an ice cube tray. I can clip in a clip from me showing that. Got this was $1, so yeah, I got that just because we don't have an ice machine here, and I like basically only drink iced coffee and like iced matcha lattes. I don't like drinking like hot drinks really, and ice just makes everything 100 times better. Then I went to Zara and I got a new perfume which I'm so excited about. They have so many nice, like really inexpensive perfumes at Zara and they smell amazing. I've had another one before from Zara that I used a lot at home, so now I got this one, and we were asking the ladies like which are like most popular perfumes, or which ones do you think smells the nice, because whenever I'm in a perfume shop I just smell all the perfumes and I'm like, all of them smell nice, but I don't know what's me and what I want to smell like. It's really hard to choose a perfume, that's what I feel anyway. But I got the Oriental one. There's no description of it, but you can see on the package there's like some fruits and some flowers. So it's like sweet, but not too sweet, and it smells like quite mature, but like a little bit sexy, which I really like. Me and Clara have kind of been sharing the same perfume, so now we got one each, which was really good, and you get quite a lot for $29, which is really nice, and the packaging is so cute. I just stand it up in this. I don't even need the inside part. It like, okay wait, the inside part like opens up like that, but really all I need to save is this and I can put it in. But yeah, whenever we do decide to travel from here, it's good to have the whole box. And then last but not least, I'm pretty sure this was last, also from Zara, I got this cardigan, just because as I said, we're going into winter here in Australia, and I wanted to have something a little more cute that I can wear like in reception. So this is just one of those button-up ones. I was debating on whether to get it in white or black, but I decided I like the white more. I'm just gonna have to be way more careful because I spill on everything I own. Yeah, it's just a button-up little cardigan. It's so comfy to just lounge around in the hostel. I really love it. Yeah, I'm really happy with all of my purchases. So yeah, if you want more hauls and stuff while I'm in here in Australia, let me know. By the way, there's something else that I got that I haven't showed you, I don't think. I ordered this from Princess Polly. I've never ordered from them before, but they have so cute things. They are a little bit more pricey, but it's just so cute that I feel like it's worth it, and the quality feels really nice. I got this skirt in a size 6 and it's really soft. It's like a mini skirt, and most mini skirts are like too long for me because I'm really short, but this one isn't, and it's got a little slit in the side which makes it really nice, and it just goes with everything. I really love it. I just thought I'd show you that as well. I can try and link it down below. If this is the end of the vlog, I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow my social medias if you aren't already. I'm trying to post every Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you're all staying safe, and I love you all. Bye.